Okay, so those are the water stains. Okay, those are the water stains. It will disappear within like 5 minutes. Okay, here you go. So this is a quarter zone. Okay, straight, number 7. Okay, straight all the way. Okay, and it's also, I already sent you the water so you can see the curly grains on it. So this is a number 6 quarter zone. Okay, straight. Okay, curly grains. This is number 5 curly grains. Again, that's the one you're talking about, the knots. Okay, that will be taken out. So we're going to move this board. Number 5, this number 5, we're going to take this board out. That's number 4 curly grains, vertical grains, no defects. So only on this first batch we only have 1 defects. That's here. That's number 5. Okay, the second batch, this is a water stain. Okay, this is a water stain, so it will go away. Okay, number 3 straight grains. Okay, this is number 2. This is only 7 inches. Okay, straight grains, the water stain, it will go away in like 5 minutes. This is a number 1 curly grains, straight grains. That's a, you need to sand it down, it will go away. So these are the